face! Gohan's energy is already gone. Forgive me. This is my fault. Easy prey. This should prove useful at some point. This is to be expected. Well now. This meat should make a nice meal. That's it, huh? I might as well destroy it while I can.
My ship! Oh, blast it! What in the world is going on?
Hey there!
Vegeta, what have you done? I don't recall telling you to destroy my ship!
So that fat bastard with the ugly mug is Majin Boo, huh? You killed Gohan, didn't you? Gohan!
Ugly mug? What's that? It means he thinks you have a strange face. Now Boo angry!
I'm not going to hell on my own. I'm taking you all with me! Let's finish this! Can't believe it! Majin Boo needs to be taken care of, but you're the real cause behind all this, Bobbity.
This can't be!
Are you okay, Vegeta? Dad, hang in there!
Trunks. Trunks, my son, take good care of your mom for me.
What are you talking about, Dad? What do you mean, take good care of Mom?
You need to get as far away from here as you can. I'm going to fight Majin Boo on my own.
No way! We're gonna fight too! The three of us can take him down for sure!
Trunks, I haven't given you a single hug since the day you were born, have I?
Huh?
Come here, son.
Dad? you doing, Dad? Cut it out! You're embarrassing me!
Take care, Trunks.
Huh? Ah!
Why'd you do that? Why'd you hit Trunks?
Take these two as far away from here as you can. I'm counting on you, Piccolo. You're prepared to die, aren't you? Just tell me one thing. If I die, will I be able to see Kakaroto in the other world?
I'm afraid not. You've killed too many innocent people. When you die, you'll lose your body, and your soul will be carried off to a different world.
I see. That's too bad. Now, get out of here. Hurry!
No! Boo, no, let you go!
Wait, Majin Boo! You're going to have to defeat me first! You got that? Fight me, you brain-dead balloon!
You say mean things, even though you're weak!
I finally know how to get rid of you. Once and for all.
Hey! What in the world is Vegeta doing? He's gonna get himself killed!
For the first time ever, he's finally fighting to protect someone other than himself. Throwing his life away to do it.
To make sure you can't put yourself back together, I'm going to blow you into microscopic pieces!
Huh? Whoa!
Farewell, Bulma, Trunks. Yes, even you, Kakaroto.
Here, take these two. I'm going to see what happened.
Okay.
I see. So if Majin Buu only takes a small amount of damage, his cells can regenerate. To prevent that, Vegeta sacrificed himself to blow Majin Buu into 1 trillion pieces. We were saved by him, of all people. Babidi, you're still alive. Guess I'll have to fix that. Don't tell me Majin Buu's fragments, they're... Majin Buu is still alive!
Ooh. What are you waiting for? Do you want me to seal you up again? Ah! Ooh, good. Well done, Majin Boo. That green fool and those two runts have messed with me for the last time. They will learn to fear the great Barbody and Majin Boo! Reduce this planet to a desolate hellscape, Majin Boo! Kill as many of the Earthlings as it takes to flush those cretins out of hiding!
He's not dead? Majin Boo's not dead? No way! Vegeta sacrificed himself for nothing?
It's not safe here on the surface. Get the kids and everyone else to Kami's lookout, right now! These two are the planet's last chance, as slim as it may be.
Ow! I can sense Majin Boo's energy, but I can't sense Vegeta's anywhere. Don't tell me. Vegeta couldn't have gotten himself killed. Oh no! I don't sense Gohan's energy either. What's going on? Piccolo and Krillin are both alive. They aren't stone anymore. Okay. They should know what's going on. I'd bet on that. Where would they be? At Kami's lookout, maybe? Majin Boo. I wonder what kind of monster he is.
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. I'm pumped up and ready to go. Right there! Yeah.
Train some more. Got no time to waste. Yep.
I can tell this thing's got lots of energy. All right! This apple looks extra juicy. Try this!
It's my turn now! My pop! Rock, paper, scissors! I'll bet Oopa's all grown up by now. Found some tasty-looking food.
We gotta keep her.
I hope everyone's okay. Hey!
Goku! Is that really you, Goku? You're alive!
Yeah, I was hoping you could tell me what's going on. Unbelievable. Gohan and the Supreme Kai? This is too much. Even Vegeta was taken down.
Majin Boo's power. It's far greater than the Supreme Kai initially feared it would be. If we don't act fast, all life in the universe, let alone here on Earth, will be completely wiped out of existence.
Well, not all hope is lost. We've still got you, Goku. If anyone can beat Majin Boo, then it's you.
I'll be honest. That's not gonna happen. I can't beat him. Me and Vegeta were pretty much matched as far as power goes. And Majin Boo, he had no problem taking everything Vegeta threw his way. There's no way around it. I don't stand a chance.
Really? Wow.
Man, this stinks! If either Gohan or Vegeta were still alive, we might have had a real chance to do something.
I don't think so. No, we're gonna need more than just numbers against this guy. He really is that strong.
Nah, that's not what I meant. I'm talking about fusion.
Huh? Fusion? What's that? Fusion? Where two people merge, right? That's a special technique used by the Metamorans.
You know about that? And you're right. I learned the technique from a Metamoran I met in Otherworld. If two people are about the same size and roughly equal in strength, they can combine with each other. Do you understand what this means? Two people can form one person with way more power than either of the original two are capable of by themselves. There is one thing you really need to keep in mind. Apparently, you can only stay combined for 30 minutes.
Now it makes sense. I think I understand. You were hoping to fuse with either Gohan or Vegeta if one of them was alive. You'd form the ultimate warrior and be able to fight Majin Boo. Unfortunately, Gohan and Vegeta, they're both gone.
So, this is the worst case scenario, isn't it?
Goten and Trunks are sleeping inside, and they are about the same size and strength. Perhaps they could fuse.
Hey, that's a great idea, Mr. Popo! Yeah, we could do that. That'll work. Piccolo, I'm gonna do whatever I possibly can to teach the fusion technique to the kids. But it's gonna take some time. At some point in all of this, I'll need you to take over for me.
Fine, I got it.
This is good. There's hope for us yet. Those kids might be able to pull this off.
Right. But understand, it's going to take quite a while before Goten and Trunks are able to perform the technique. The time this will take is something others don't have. A lot of people could die before that happens. Everyone on the planet, even the planet itself, might be wiped out before then. This is a long shot, but we've got no other choice.
You're right about that. Even if all of humanity gets wiped out, we've still got the Dragon Balls to bring everyone back. What's going on? It got dark all of a sudden.
Wait, is that...
Did someone summon Shenron? Wait, but who?
Bulma had all of the Dragon Balls last, right? But she doesn't know the situation. What's she doing?
Of course! Yeah, that's right. Vegeta killed a bunch of people at the World Tournament. Bulma's gonna ask Shenron to bring them all back.
Oh, no! If she makes all three wishes now, we'll have to wait another year!
I'll go try to stop her.
Just as Goku had predicted, Bulma and the others had summoned Shenron to bring back all those killed by Vegeta. The first wish had already been granted, but Goku was able to prevent the last two wishes from being used. Shenron disappeared, and the Dragon Balls scattered, inert for the next 4 months. Goku then warped the confused group to Kami's lookout, where they would then all be safe from Majin Boo's onslaught. Here we have an individual brought back to life with the Dragon Balls.
I'm certain I was killed by Dabura. Was I brought back to life? How can that be? What's going on? Where is the Supreme Kai? Oh, good.
He's still alive! Supreme Kai! Supreme Kai! Thank goodness, I wasn't too late!
Kibito, what are you doing here? I saw you die. You were blown to pieces.
Indeed. I too am uncertain how I was able to come back.
That's right. Kibito, we have to hurry. Gohan's in danger.
Huh?
We have to prevent Gohan from dying at all costs.
It looks like we've come to his aid without a moment to spare.
Thank goodness. Kibito, we should restore Gohan's strength once we're back in the land of the Kais.
Huh? Do you mean to tell me we are going to allow a mortal to step foot in our holy land?
Yes, now we need to hurry. He doesn't have much longer.
Right. Kai.
What the? Huh? Where am I?
This is the land of the Kais, our home world.
Wait, what? Your home world?
Yes, this is a holy land that even the gods and Kais, let alone mortals, were not to enter.
Wait! I thought you died. Do you have the ability to revive yourself?
Unfortunately, no. My revival is just as much a mystery to me as it is to you.
Why am I here?
We hope you'll be able to use the Z-Sword to defeat Majin Boo. You should have what it takes to utilize that sword and its power.
Huh?
The Z-Sword? Are you sure about this, Supreme Kai? The Z-Sword is not a weapon that a mere mortal could ever wield. Not possible. Neither I nor countless other Supreme Kais could ever make use of the legendary sword.
As you were dead, Kibito, you haven't seen how truly remarkable Gohan's power is. At any rate, we should at least try. Come with me.
You'll need some more suitable clothes.
Whoa. Huh. Kibito and I are wearing matching outfits. It's kind of embarrassing. This is great! Look at all of this energy! So, this is the land of the Kais. There's not much here, but it still kind of reminds me of Earth. This is great! Look at all of this energy! The Z-Sword, right? Sounds pretty cool, but I wonder what it could be. Whoa. That's the Z-Sword?
This is the Z-Sword.
Huh.
Now please try to remove it. To the best of my knowledge, no one has been able to remove this blade.
So, I just need to pull it out, huh? Sounds like something out of a storybook. So, I'm supposed to pull out this Z-Sword, but then what happens?
Legends say you will be imbued with immense power. Perhaps even enough power to destroy Majin Boo.
What? Really? I guess that means this thing's pretty sharp. I'm kind of scared now.
You can't remove the sword, so you have nothing to fear.
Kibito, please be quiet. Gohan must concentrate. Please, Gohan, try to remove the sword.
Huh. All right, here goes. It's no use. It won't budge. All right, let's try this then.
Super Saiyan? Well, I doubt that'll change anything. It's no use. Several Supreme Kais before you have tried, and also failed to remove the blade. Why would a mere mortal succeed?
Look, he did it!
I can't believe it!
I'm just gonna cut straight to the chase, okay? Goten and Trunks are both fine. But Gohan and Vegeta, they were killed by Majin Boo.
Huh?
Gigi!
Vegeta! No! He can't!
Listen to me, people of Earth. I am using magic to speak to all of you telepathically. Now close your eyes. I have something I'd like to show you. My name is Bobbity, and I am a terrifying and powerful wizard. And this here is my loyal servant, the even more frightening Majin Boo.
What is this?
Are you seeing this too?
Hey, what kind of freaky crap is this?
I've run into a bit of trouble today, you see. And now I'm looking for 3 troublemakers. This one, this one, and this one. If I cannot find these 3 fools, well, allow me to show you what will happen. All right, Majin Boo, do it! Hey!
That monster! What has he done?
I will warn you one more time. You must tell me where those 3 are. If you do not, we will exterminate every last one of you 5 days from now. I eagerly await your reports.
Damn that bug-eyed bastard!
So those are the guys that killed Vegeta and Gohan.
We can't let there be any more casualties. I'm going to confront them.
No! Think about it. If you die on us, there won't be anyone to teach Goten and Trunks how to fuse. We have the Dragon Balls. We can use them to repair any damage done and bring back anybody that's been killed. You get it?
Fine.
You're lying! My dad wouldn't lose to someone like that! My big brother's dead!
Stop it! Now's not the time for tears. If you want to avenge them, focus on learning this new technique. You got it? Let's get started. Everybody pay close attention. All right, time to learn how to fuse.
People of Earth, I've just received some very interesting information. One of the 3 troublemakers I'm searching for, Trunks, supposedly lives at a place called Capsule Corporation in West City. I think we might head there next. For everyone's sake, he had better be there. I would show myself if I were you, Trunks. Your home won't be around much longer if you don't.
Oh no! My grandpa and grandma are still at the house!
Goku! Did you hear that just now? My mom and dad are done for! And so is West City, for that matter!
It'll be fine, Bulma. We'll bring them back with the Dragon Balls.
You don't get it! If my lab gets destroyed, so does the Dragon Radar! The radar requires special parts that you can't just get anywhere! Which means we won't be able to summon Shenron!
What? That is a problem. All right, Trunks, hurry back home and try to find the Dragon Radar. Okay, I'll try to stall Babidi and Majin Buu as long as I can.
Are you sure? Aren't you just gonna get your butt kicked?
I can distract them for at least a little bit. Anyway, hurry! I've got to find those guys, and fast! I hope I can buy Trunks enough time. Ah!
Get a load of that! Sure am ready to eat this fish. This one looks pretty tasty.